Friends, today we will see why Kamala Harris Suomoto refers to Pakistan's role in terrorism. Foreign Secretary Harish B. Sringla informed about the incident where Kamala Harris asked Pakistan to stop supporting terror groups during the first ever meeting with the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Friends, I often get confused with the name of these posts. Now we will discuss that Harshvardhan Sringla is an Indian Foreign Service official serving as the 33rd and current Foreign Secretary of India since 29 January 2020. While Subramaniam Jayasankar is an Indian diplomat and politician who is the current Minister of External Affairs of the Government of India since 31st May 2019. While Taranjit Singh Sandhu is an Indian diplomat and current Indian ambassador to the United States. So we have to remember these names and posts. Now we will highlight the important facts about this visit. It is the 7th visit of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi to USA. He will attend the historic Quad Summit there. This will be the first in-person Quad Summit. Mr. Modi is scheduled to travel to New York to address UN General Assembly on 25th of November 2021. Now here, Mr. Modi praised the Indian diaspora in USA. According to this report, there are nearly 4.4 million Indian Americans in USA. India gets almost 11.715 billions of rupees of remittance from USA. It is the second largest after United Arab Emirates. Unlike China, here we can see how Indian Americans are welcoming Narendra Modi cordially. India has already signed BECA, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement for Geopolitical Cooperation, LEMOA, LEMOA, the Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement signed in 2016, and COMCASA, COMCASA, the Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement in 2018. Another aspect of Modi's visit is to invite big companies like Blackstone, which is an American investment management company. Blackstone has an asset of nearly 700 billion of US dollars, which is larger than GDP of many countries. Here we can see the meeting with the Blackstone CEO. Modi also met with the CEO of Qualcomm with the agenda to bring more 5G technologies and public Wi-Fi. Recently, in the Armenia and Azerbaijan war, we witnessed the capacity of drones. Modi met with Bibek Lal, the CEO of General Atomics, to bring drone technology here. Here we can see Modi's meeting with the Quad countries like Japan's PM Yoshida Suga and Australian PM Scott Morrison. Here in this report, we can see Joe Biden calls Australia as their closest ally. Now, why are they pissed up? Because we have to understand that we already order the Rafales from France, and we have the share in Shanghai Corporation Organization, and we also finalized the deal of S-400 missiles from Russia, and probably we will be the first buyer of S-500 missiles from Russia. So they are in a fix whether we are their friends or not. After the meeting with the Australian PM, Modi met with Kamala Harris. Here in this meeting, Kamala Suomoto raised the issue of terrorism by Pakistan. Now it's an open secret We all know how Imran Khan openly bats for Taliban's and endorses Hafiz Saeed like terrorist who was behind Mumbai attack. We hope that PM Narendra Modi will raise the issue of terrorism on the 76th session of UN General Assembly tomorrow.